This building is home to over 70 million items. It holds a vast variety of specimens, even dinosaur skeletons. The Natural History Museum is famous for its research and investigations into areas such as mineralogy and zoology. City Science is here today to delve a little bit deeper into this area and look at venomous crustaceans. Two zoologists working here at the museum published a paper recently where they proved for the first time that a crustacean uses venom to kill. The lead author of the paper is Professor Rowland.
Crustaceans are a group of arthropods, so they are known as the jointed-legged animals, as you can see in some of the pictures here. To this large group belong something like, well over 1 million species, all the insects, all the things like centipedes, spiders, scorpions, and the crustaceans are their own separate group, about 70,000 described species, so extremely diverse. Everything is different as a water flea, a lobster and a barnacle, and of course our venomous remipedes. Where they live, there's about 24 described species living in 3 spots in the world. Biggest diversity, Caribbean area, then Canary Islands and Western Australia. But they have one peculiarity: they all live in submarine caves. That means that they live in caves in the salty water bit. And these are underground caves that are connected to the open sea. But these can be very labyrinthine caves. And often they have an opening to the outside where there is a layer of fresh water on top of the salt water in which they live. So without being able to cave dive and go collecting in the field, it's a mere fantasy.
Another scientist from the museum went cave diving and collected the 30 samples of remibede that was used in the study. This was Professor Bjorn von Romont, a zoologist and cave diver.
What we did so far was to describe the venom and its composition by molecular data. The next step would be to work more on the protein part, that we really do kind of assays how these venom components act or interact on possible prey.
Venomous crustaceans can tell us a lot about our underwater life. This is Jenny McCall reporting for City Science.